Alright, so basically, Valentine's Day is coming up tomorrow. Y'all couple, how long have you been dating?
Today's our anniversary, so 3 months.
Oh, so do y'all touch each other? Yeah. Okay, so swap phones for 30 seconds. We're gonna do it.
I'm good.
Bro, you okay?
I'm good, bro. You geeking, bro.
You record the phone?
Yeah.
The phone?
Yeah, alright.
On there, my boy.
Alright, we gonna see. Cool. Get everything. Go ahead.
Wait, why the DMs? That's like fat. Nobody on
You know who Zara is?
Mm-hmm.
You called her?
Yeah.
Just nothing crazy.
Okay.
Alright. What about Tosh?
That's a boy.
That's a boy.
Y'all are
Juliana? Do you know who that is?
Yeah, she's his boyfriend.
Oh, she's a boyfriend? Okay. What about Belma?
Yanko.
Belma? Alright. What about Bree?
This is his best friend's ex-girl or girl, whatever.
Oh, wait,
Best
don't say
I
first.
will.
Don't say no.
He has 2 phones. Oh my god.
No, actually.
Okay, that's a boy.
Go to the IG. Go to the IG.
Wait. Chill.
Wait, you can't be looking at the phone like that. You look sus.
Hold on. Who's this?
Damn, this is
There's nobody, bro. I'm telling
That's a
you.
boy.
That's a boy.
You wasting time, bro.
Alright. Wait.
IG.
She has my account.
What's your
He passed, bro.
He
But you see how many accounts he got, though.
Okay. Alright, so you already have his IG and shit?
2, yeah.
Alright, check it out.
Don't open. You can't open the group chat though.
Why not? Why? Why not?
Nah, took fine shit in the group chat.
Who's
That's Xavier.
Xavier, who's
He's on
that?
math class.
Math class?
Just
Such a
math.
fine shit.
Just math? Alright.
Nigga, ain't shit in there.
Go deeper. Stay with me now. And what hurt me is I was already all the way in.
They crazy.
He's stressing.
Yo, chill. Back up.
Who's Coach Brew?
Don't piss me off. Mike is gay.
Mike is gay?
Yes.
What about Michael?
Michelle.
All right. Oh, I'm geek.
Oh, you're a retard.
I can't read.
Oh, God damn it,
Y'all know I can't read. What about Mark?
He's on my team.
He's on your team?
Oh, Mark, that's Mr. Oh, locations. Ooh, oh.
Location. Damn. Send it low.
Let's not.
Oh, all right. It's nothing in there. He in Korea.
I think we understand, bro. I think they good, bro.
Hold on. Wait. They might be. Wait. Instagram. All right, Instagram, and then we done. Y'all passing so far. Hold on.
I like what I see, bro. I like what I see. I love this. We gotta catch up with Monet.
And I know his past week.
Oh, my God.
What time is it? I gotta go to class.
Oh, they are.
All right, y'all good. Give each other a hug. Go ahead, fuck. They fast.
Say you want someone that'll love you. Someone who can please you. Someone who can kiss on you, love you. Fuck you like this. Fuck you like that.
What's your name? Okay. So we doing a swap phone challenge. 30 seconds. We won't go first.
Yep, we are absolutely cooked, chat. GG.
We're gonna start off with Instagram first.
Look at the spams too.
This is a girl.
You need to bring the phone closer. Like.
You okay? Oh, shit.
Why
Yeah, why you like...
Who's Devin?
Who's Devin?
Tell us.
My friend.
Yeah. Alright.
Wait. Where you been?
Yo, where you go? You okay? Oh, shit. Yeah, why you liking the message? Hold on. Why you liking the message?
That's your phone. Yeah, he's like, when is a freshman?
Huh?
Like freshman.
Funny. Yes, but not funny. Haha. Funny weird.
Right? Oh, Isaiah? No, go to the man. Go to the man.
For you, let's pivotal relationship.
He said 30 seconds. No fucking 30 seconds.
Lord Nezzo? Lorenzo. That's Lorenzo.
No, don't.
Yeah.
Huh?
It's not old boy. Oh no.
Okay, it's straight girls. I go to the mostly girls. Hold on. Nah, just mostly girls. Okay. Okay, that seemed like a pass to me on the list. Yeah, that's a pass. Y'all think that's a pass?
Yo, Dave Dax, yo. Dave Dax, yo.
I know who that is. I know who that is. Right. Right, and then the music right there too.
Who was that? Nigga, that's fun. That was fun. That was
Right, what time? That's
Suspicious.
Yeah, that's fun.
That's weird.
There's nothing.
There's nothing in here.
There's 6 weeks.
Bullshit! You're not looking hard enough!
Help!
Hold on. I don't know where all these nosy ass niggas came from, but it was only me and Jacob in the beginning, bruh.
Go to the camera or the camera had the shit. I'm trying to tell you.
Why is everybody around?
Screenshot. That's what that's
Do you see me f***ing laughing, my nigga?
Wait. I'm trying to see.
I told you I know the method, bro.
Wait. So y'all not gonna go through that? Alright, so y'all done? Y'all satisfied?
Start up this way, bro.
Y'all satisfied? Alright, we done.
Y'all know what's going on, and so do I.
Swap for
What's your name?
Jordan. Swap phones 30 seconds. Who's going first?
That's so good.
Alright, hold on. Wait. You know who Destiny is?
Best friend.
Nah, you should go to Instagram. That is his best friend.
Chill. Yo, straight niggas in here.
You gay.
Hold on.
on the net.
Yo, it's straight niggas. Do you see
I
the
go to
girls?
Instagram. Among Us group.
Okay. Who's this?
Wait.
Now, as y'all can see from her reaction, it was some crazy shit in there. But her homegirl's camera's in the way and y'all can't see, so I'm gonna zoom in.
There's nothing serious, bro.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Oh, shit. Damn.
It's 30 seconds. It's 30 seconds.
Nah, fuck it, 30 seconds.
seconds.
Fuck a 30 seconds.
It's been 30
seconds.
We good? Yeah, we not you.
Who's Leah? Chill, who's Leah?
It's been 30 seconds, dog.
Relax.
It has been 30 seconds.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Y'all doing me wrong.
Seconds. Oh,
So
wow.
move.
Who's this?
Search up your name. Search up a name. Be like girl or some shit. Search some shit up. Search some shit up.
I know exactly.
Relax
is not good.
Go to the messages first. Where the messages at? Yeah, alright. Promise T. That's a girl?
That's
Palms.
What about the gram?
Is this nigga serious?
Gram. I can't
Yeah, y'all not go through the gram.
What are the photos and shit? That's where the good shit said.
Who's this? That's you? Alright, hold on.
Go to the photos, bro.
Chill.
Yo, who the house is on?
Yeah, who that?
She's dragging her nuts.
It's a girl.
No, that's my home.
Nah, say right. Go to the photos. Go to the photos.
That's doing too much, bro. Doing too much.
I know what I'm doing.
Go to the photos, bro. Go to the photos.
Know what he's doing, bro.
Go to the photos, bro.
That's not fair. She
Hold on. Nigga, she had her chance. Look at that bit went.
Where the thing that says screenshots?
Let him do it.
Go to the thing that says
He gonna do
screenshots.
it. She don't got none,
Bro, not
That's
serious.
30 seconds. She don't got none.
You know what? Y'all stop
Bluffing. Nah, she had more than 30. Hold on, she had more than 30. She had more than 30 though.
Go to the screenshots.
Nah, there ain't nothing in there.
Man, she loyal though.
Y'all mind being on camera for social experiment? Valentine's Day social experiment?
What's up?
All right, so hold on. All right, so I'm assuming y'all a couple.
Yeah.
Got him. We fucking got him.
How long have y'all been together?
like a week.
Do you trust? Would y'all trust each other swapping phones? 30 seconds. Okay, all right. Who's going first?
We're going first.
What am I doing?
You open your phone and then she gets 30 seconds to go through it.
Instagram, all of that. You know her password?
Yeah.
All right, let's go to.
I'll go first.
All right, so let's keep scrolling. Is that? I'm assuming that's you.
Yep.
Scroll down.
Let's keep scrolling. Mikey, Sarah. Do we know who Sarah is?
Who's
Yeah,
Sarah?
that's my best friend.
Is your best friend?
Your best friend.
Yeah.
Click on that.
Don't worry, nothing
All
in
right,
there.
all right. Scroll down.
Do we know who Nikki is?
That's her manager.
The manager?
What should I do?
You Android. Oh my god.
We work at Union Jacks.
Oh, okay. Scroll down.
Lindsay?
Who's Lindsay?
It's an old girl I used to talk to.
Oh, click on it. You got go on Instagram. You got Instagram?
Nah, I mean I do, but I'm not on there.
Let's see.
Wait. My cousin?
This is your phone, right?
Yeah.
That's
Wait. Confused.
Wait, whose phone is it?
I'll hold
It's his
it.
phone.
I just like.
You want to do this?
I'm scared.
Are you scared? What you
Yeah.
scared for?
All right, let's see.
Hold on. I gotta break down what the hell's happening. So not only did he take his phone after mid-investigation and put it in his pocket, but then he took hers and still went through it. Bro didn't even give us a chance, bro. He definitely had something going on.
All right,
Yeah.
going through.
Snapchat.
Go to her messages.
Snapchat. Nah, let's see Snapchat first.
Nah,
Y'all be getting active on the Snapchat. No Snapchat? Come on. Nah, open that Snapchat real quick.
we got nothing on here.
Nah.
Who's that?
We gonna help you out. Where are all these unsaved numbers?
Yeah.
Emily.
Oh. JKS.
Better not go to Snapchat.
Who's Jake?
That's
That's a guy from church.
Guy from church. Jaden?
Amen.
That's a
Stay
guy.
blessed.
My best friend.
Dodie?
You stupid.
Daddy-o?
Daddy-o?
Daddy-o. My father.
They don't teach us English at Oklahoma. Fuck.
Who's Karen?
We should have went to TJ Maxx.
Come on, go to Snapchat.
Go to Snapchat.
Who's Mel?
Yeah, let's go
Who's Mel?
Snapchat.
Come on, go to Snapchat. Yeah. Okay, she don't really open them. All right, that's cool. Who's Joe?
Yeah, who's Joe?
Who's
Oh,
Joe?
that's my best friend's boyfriend.
Okay.
Come on, who's Gavin?
Gavin?
Yeah.
That's my best friend's boyfriend's best friend.
Damn.
You have a lot of boyfriends, best friends, boyfriends,
You got a
best friends.
family tree in this phone.
Who's this guy? Caden Akari? That's your ex?
Click on it.
Wait. What? One?
Nah, we ain't gonna go all the way.
Nah.
Nah. We're not going all the way in their old business.
When was the last time you texted him though?
I cut off contact yesterday.
Yesterday?
Wait, hold on.
Yesterday.
But
Y'all been together a week.
Huh?
Y'all been together for a week.
I was right next to her when she did it. They weren't talking before.
Denial is a river in Egypt. Your husband.
Okay, y'all pass. Y'all pass. Hug.
Give me to her.
Huh?
Hug.
No.
Alright, y'all pass.
Y'all look good.
Check.
Valentine.
Alright.
Cheesy Valentine. I was scared myself.
Best friend, boyfriend, best friends.
No bullshit. I'm like best friend, boyfriend, best friend. I'm like, what, nigga?
Come on.
Where you going, gang?
Cruddy ass niggas, bro.
Good, bro.
Yo, I'm some cruddy ass.
Nigga, tell the camera what you talking about right now.
Cruddy ass niggas.
Tell them what you talking about, bro.
Got some cruddy ass niggas.
What you mean?
Some gay shit, no real shit. Chill with that. Chill. No real shit. Chill.
Chill with what?
I'm moving high, bro.
Bro, just chill with what? Chill with what? Yo, come on, bro.
Come on, Kason.
Delete your most important shit right now. Bro, I'm giving you a chance to delete
What are you doing right now? Like,
Nigga, you making it hot, nigga.
Why you?
Man time. Stop.
Dude, come on, bro. Nigga, just delete everything.
Nigga, what are you talking about? Yeah, you some gay shit, bro. Like, come here, James. What's your James? Chill, stop.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Some weird shit, bro. Some gay shit, bro.